Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Salesforce AppExchange products, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in appexchange.salesforce.com and press enter. This will take you to the Salesforce AppExchange homepage. If you already have a Salesforce account, click on the login button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your Salesforce credentials and click login. If you don't have an account, you can either create one by clicking on free trial or explore the marketplace without logging in. Once logged in, you can browse products by categories or use the search bar to find specific apps. Click on a product that interests you to view its details page. On the product page, you will find information like features, pricing, and user reviews. Click on the Get It Now button to begin the subscription process. You may be prompted to select your Salesforce environment for installation. Choose the appropriate environment from the drop-down menu. Read the terms and conditions carefully before proceeding. If you agree, click the checkbox to accept the terms. Then, click Confirm and Install to continue. You may need to choose between a production or sandbox environment for the app installation. Once selected, click Install. Depending on the app and your permissions, you may have options to set permissions for specific user profiles. After configuration, click Install to finalize the process. You will receive a confirmation message once the installation is successful. To access your newly installed app, go to your Salesforce dashboard. Click on the app to open it and start exploring its features. Now you're ready to make the most of your new Salesforce AppExchange product. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.